Obviously, this is not the best solution for attaching your reading glasses to your iPhone. However, this MagSafe Reading Glasses Accessory is the best solution we came up with. In a moment, we will show you how this was made. If you like what you see, you can go to our website to make a purchase at writebytes.com. How this was made. Step 1. Creating the reading glasses pocket. Laser cut the 1mm thick Sallie Tomato cork fabric. Laser cut the inner 2mm thick cork spacer. Assemble the reading glasses pocket. Sew the middle part of the reading glasses pocket. Also sew the top left corner. Step 2. Creating the MagSafe magnetic base. Laser engrave and laser cut the bottom mega grip non-slip fabric. Laser cut the inner 1mm thick MagSafe cork filler. Laser cut the top 0.4mm thick cork-based fabric. Assemble the MagSafe magnetic base. Cut out the final size of the MagSafe magnetic base. Step 3. Final assembly and sewing. Attach the MagSafe magnetic base to the reading glasses pocket. Finish the top stitch to attach the two parts together. Sew the left and bottom edge. Sew the pocket edge. The finished MagSafe Reading Glasses Accessory. Where to buy? You can go to ripebytes.com to make a purchase of this MagSafe Reading Glasses Accessory. The reading glasses are included with your purchase. Thanks for supporting our small business.